Back again. Got this car opened up already. I already got it started and have it up in the air. Got the oil drained out, but today we're going to be doing a service A on this one. This car has been here before. Last time it was here for an ECU tune. Get a little bit of extra horsepower, but today we're just going to be doing a little bit of maintenance, checking some other things out. It also has the parking brake was sticking a little bit, so we're going to open that up and see if we can figure out why it won't release like it's supposed to. But right now I have the oil drained. I'm gonna go ahead and set up a time lapse so that you guys can watch the process of me doing the air filters and seeing all that. But as of right now, we just got it up in the air and oil drained out. This is where we're at. So I got the air filters all opened up. And good thing that these were changed out because you can see how dirty these are. It's definitely seen worse, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I say these are about like a 7, maybe an 8. Leaves caked onto the filters. Like, look at the dust. So all that would have gone into the engine, but thankfully the air filter saved it. Over here, I got that brand new air filter that we're going to be throwing in there. It's my nephew, my brother. But these are the air filters we're gonna be throwing in there. Got the oil filter as well as the oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean these up, get them all dusted out, wiped down before we put the new filters in there, and then we can go ahead and throw them back onto the car.